Hello SmartBotsLand friends. We already explained the definition and creation of operator. In this short video, we are going to teach you how to add a role to the operator, or change the previous role, or completely delete the operator. You just need to log into your panel, click on Bot Support, Operator Confirmation, and choose one of your bots. And here you can see my operators. The first step is deleting the operator from here and add the operator from the list. And I can change its role as an administrator or not admin. I change it to not admin. Receive registered user report. I can click on yes. And roles, I can specify my desired roles to this operator. Done. And click on add and save. If you want to delete the operator completely, he or she mustn't have received a request from the contact us and send ticket buttons. So my video is done. Have a nice time.